In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a carousel in Webflow. Whether you're aiming to elevate your website's visual appeal or wanting to present a sequence of images with ease, creating a carousel is a fantastic way to achieve that. I'll guide you step by step, ensuring the process is not only simple, but also enjoyable. To get started, open your preferred Webflow project where you want to add the carousel. Once you've navigated to your Webflow account and opened the project, take a glance at the interface to make sure you're familiar with the tools you'll be using. Now look at the left-hand side of your Webflow dashboard and click on the plus icon. This will open up the Elements panel, where you can see a variety of components at your disposal. The plus icon is your gateway to adding new elements to your page, so it's an important tool in your design toolkit. Moving on, it's time to introduce the slider component. From the Elements panel, drag the slider component onto your desired section of the page. The slider acts as the foundation of your carousel, setting the framework for how your images or content will rotate. Next, once the slider is placed, you'll want to click on the plus icon again. This step is crucial because it'll allow you to incorporate additional elements into your slider, enhancing its capabilities. After clicking, go ahead and drag the image element into each slide of the slider. This step is where the magic really happens, as each image can convey a story, display products, or highlight key features on your site. With your image element selected, you'll see an option that reads, Choose Image. Clicking here allows you to upload or select images from your asset library that you want to showcase in the carousel. Once your images are placed, you'll notice a little highlight on the slides, which you can use to adjust or select different slide settings. This is helpful when you're trying to see which image or slide you're currently editing. Take a moment to configure these settings to best meet your design goals. Next, click on the settings icon, usually depicted by a small wrench or gear. This will bring up a variety of options related to the slider's behavior, including how it transitions from one slide to the next. While you're in the slider settings, look for the option labeled Slide. Selecting this will present you with multiple transition effects. For a smoother, more polished transition, select the crossfade option. This subtle yet effective transition adds a professional touch to the carousel, ensuring your users have a pleasant viewing experience. And there you have it, a straightforward way to create a carousel in Webflow. With these steps, you've added a functional and visually appealing element to your website. Until next time, happy designing!